manufacturing. Every sheet is programmed before cutting through. Maximize material utilization and maintain consistent dimension of accuracy. Our fiber laser system delivers clean edges and stable cutting quality, even on thick weather and steel products. During production, operators continue trying monitor cutting parameters to ensure every play process meets the required specification. As one sheet is completed, the next plate is prepared immediately. The synchronized plate replacement process helps minimize our machine idle time and keeps production running efficiently. For batch manufacturing projects, reducing downtime is just as important as increasing cutting speed. This is how we improve productivity while maintaining consistent quality across every component. After laser cutting, each part is separated and inspected before moving to the next manufacturing process, such as bending, welding, machining, or surface treatment. The finished semi-finished parts are organized according to production batches, making downstream assembly quality control more efficient. From prototype projects to high-volume production, STARWAY provides complete sheet metal manufacturing solutions with controlled processes, stable quality, and reliable precision build process control.